Did you know that the art you choose for your home can completely transform the atmosphere and even uplift your spirit? Especially in a Christian home where faith and inspiration are at the heart of everything. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily enhance your space with beautiful Last Supper digital wall art. Welcome back to Infinite Grace Desi Art. I'm Yolanda, and today we're diving into the world of digital wall art inspired by one of the most powerful symbols of love, unity and devotion, the Last Supper. Whether you're looking to enrich your home or find the perfect gift for a loved one, these art pieces are a beautiful reminder of God's love and presence. Let's be honest, finding meaningful decor that truly reflects your faith and enhances your living space can be a challenge. Most stores offer generic options that feel, uninspired. But here's the good news. Digital wall art offers you a way to bring faith-based art into your home with ease and beauty. And what better way to do that than with the Last Supper, a piece of art that embodies devotion, sacrifice, and unity. From elegant minimalist designs to rich, detailed interpretations that pay homage to classical art, there's something for everyone. The beauty of digital art is its versatility. Whether you prefer something traditional or modern, you can find a piece that perfectly complements your decor. And the best part, digital art is instant and affordable. You can download it, print it, and have it beautifully displayed in your home within minutes. Just imagine this, your dining area beautifully enhanced with a stunning Last Supper artwork, creating a warm and uplifting atmosphere every time you gather with your loved ones. One customer said, "It's like having a gentle reminder of God's love and presence every day. It truly brings peace to our home." These pieces aren't just art, they're a testament to faith, and they can completely transform a room from ordinary to inspirational. So if you're looking for a way to uplift your Christian home with beauty and spiritual significance, the Last Supper digital wall art is a wonderful choice. It's all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and inspired. I'd love to hear from you. How does art impact your faith journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more home decor ideas. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.